This video covers the comparison feature of Just Ask. Now we'll cover a few examples here, starting off with a comparison of two measures. So what we get on bottom is a line chart of gross sales by year, and on top, a bar chart showing the variance of gross sales with operating expenses by year. Now we'll modify this question to take a look at a comparison of two features and a dimension. So in this case, we can select one of the suggestions here for location. Now we have a horizontal bar chart showing the variance by location. Now we'll take a look at basically the same question, but we will add time to this. So we'll look for year 2023. And we get the same horizontal bar chart showing variance, but this time we're focused on only year 2023. So for the last one, we want to look at a comparison of versions. And this time the return just simply shows the variance